Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something sweet, literally. We're going to prototype a chocolate-themed animation right inside Figma. So if you're a UI UX designer or just love playing with micro-interactions, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. First of all, choose a frame. I am choosing MacBook Pro 16 here. Then rename the frame. After that, create one other frame inside the frame and set it width as 432. After that, fill it with color of your chocolate theme. I am choosing here radial gradient and mixing the colors to give effects. Now put the blueberry chocolate inside that frame. Place the blueberry elements on chocolate bar. Now, put the packaging of the blueberry chocolate above the chocolate bar, so that it will cover the entire chocolate bar. Now follow these steps for all the chocolate frames. Just keep in mind that the elements should be under the frame only. Never put it outside the frame. You can duplicate the frame holding Alt, and then drag that frame wherever you wanna drag. Change the color of the frame according to your chocolate theme. It will look literally delicious as you can see here. If you are liking the process of this prototyping, then just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified for the new videos which will be uploaded in my channel. And comment below if you want video on any specific topic. Now you can see here that using the same process, I have created the all 4 frames for different chocolate. First one is blueberry. Second one is cherry flavor, third one is lavender dark chocolate, and the fourth one is kunafa pistachio chocolate, which is trending right now. Now select the MacBook frame. Hold Alt and duplicate the frames by dragging it down holding Alt, and make 4 duplicate frames as you can see here. Now, what I have done here is, I selected the blueberry packaging, the lavender packaging, cherry packaging, and the kunafa packaging by holding Shift button on keyboard, and dragged it down, but keep it in mind that the packaging should be in the frame only. And it should be visible little bit. After that, the elements of chocolate, like the blueberry on the blueberry chocolate, select the element and put it on the corner. Rotate the another element. Now it's prototyping time. Here select the blueberry frame from the first frame and connect it to the blueberry frame in which we put down the blueberry packaging. Here set the interaction details. Set the trigger to while hovering. Action should be navigate to. Destination should be blueberry frame. Curve should be ease in and out back, and the duration should be 900 milliseconds for smooth animation, and that's it. Now select the another cherry one and connect it to the cherry frame and set it interaction as we set for the blueberry one, and then follow the process for the remaining to chocolate and you're done. Now let's see the output.